Oppo could abandon the foldable market. This rumor is starting to sound much louder after a South Korean media started with this news. But Oppo would not be the only one to leave the market. According to this report, also Vivo would be considering abandoning the foldable market. If you didn't know, Vivo also has foldables in both landscape and portrait formats. However, it seems that in China they have not managed to have a significant market share, and that is leading them to make the decision to withdraw, since manufacturing a foldable takes much more time and a lot of investment, and it seems that they are not seeing the fruit of that investment. The funny thing is that according to this report, Vivo and Oppo cannot achieve a more significant market share because of how successful Huawei's foldables are being. But in this case, it's worth remembering that Huawei is having a lot of success in China. Because outside of China, really in the foldable market, I only see two competitors right now, at least in the more advanced foldables, that would be Oppo and Samsung. Remember, OnePlus is owned by Oppo. So if this comes to fruition, we do not know specifically if only the Oppo brand will stop making foldable and bet only foldable OnePlus brand, or both brands will stop making such devices. Personally, it would seem to me a very bad decision because I think Oppo is managing to position very well their foldables due to the good quality they have incorporated in them, but only time will help us to know if this rumor will be true or not.